Hey guys, how are you doing? So today we're going to be talking about hemostasis. And you can see here there is an injured blood vessel. There is a defect over here. So is made of two parts: primary hemostasis, which is I can see here. These are the platelets coming here. And there is a secondary hemostasis, which are the clotting factors over here. So, um, when it comes to issues in these two stages, we're going to start with the issues of the first primary hemostasis. There can be a defect in the quality of platelets, such or quantity. And an example of quality is a Bernard-Sawyer syndrome, and an example of quantity defect is an thrombocytic purpura, which you have a decreased number of platelets. And moving on, we have defects in the secondary hemostasis, and this in turn can be extrinsic. It can be can There can be a problem in the extrinsic pathway, or it can be a problem in the intrinsic pathway. So problems in the extrinsic pathway happens in warfarin therapy and also in vitamin K deficiency. And vitamin K deficiency can happen, for example, after giving some specific antibiotics that uh, uh, affect the gut flora. And also it can happen from fat soluble vitamin deficiencies, like what happens, for example, with chronic pancreatitis. Or on on the regards of the intrinsic pathway problems, it can happen with a heparin uh, therapy, and it's also can happen in the hemophilia disease. And the last thing that we can have a disease that affect both stages. We call it mixed deficiency. It's kind of it's which include problems in the primary homeostasis and in the secondary homeostasis. And this can happen in two diseases, which is the von Willebrand deficiency and the disseminated intravascular coagulopathy. So in von Willebrand deficiency, the problem in the primary hemostasis is of a quantity type, and the problem in the secondary hemostasis lies in the intrinsic pathway, specifically in the factor 8, because the vulval brand disease deficiency leads to a problem in the factor 8. Uh, However, in DIC, we have consumption of platelets, and because of that, there are a lot of coagulation in the body, so we have a consumption of platelets, and we also have consumption of coagulative factors. Thank you so much.